there. Hey, look, uh, my name's Rain Jones, and you've probably seen quite a few, or a few. I won't say quite a few because there's others who have made a whole lot more videos than I have. But today, starting today, I'm going to try to make a concentrated effort to put a little sense of organization to these videos and this video series. So one of the things that I want to talk about first is give you a little bit of an introduction to me. Now, I'm only going to take a few minutes, so you're not going to get all of the gory details. But hey, look, I spent 23 years in the military. So from age 19 to just a couple years ago, I was a career military. I retired as an officer. And before I retired, I was going through all of the, hey, what do I want to do next type stuff. And I came across this really cool program, and it's called MOB. And it stands for My Own Business Education. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It is there to teach you how to build and grow your own online business. Now, the cool thing about this is they don't just give you this cool little video package and end it there. Okay, they give you the cool little video package, but then they give you a ton of other programs and series and live events and tons and tons and tons of value to help you achieve this goal. So I was really intrigued by it, and I'll be honest, sometimes when it comes to decision making, you know, there's a couple questions that you ask. Is it legal? Is it ethical? And can I afford it? Okay, those are the three biggest questions that I asked myself, and it was a really easy decision to make. Okay, it was simply one of the easiest decisions I ever made. So 23 years, didn't want to, and I'll be honest, the reason why I found this program, I didn't want to go back to a freaking 9-to-5 job. Okay, I didn't. I was just flat out tired of bureaucracies, working for other people, helping them make money, helping them get up the ladder to success. All that nice stuff, it even happens in the military. Okay, it even happens in the military. And I was just tired, and I didn't want to go into another job, another position, another career. Okay, I really didn't. So I knew what I didn't want, which meant there kind of says, okay, if that's what you don't want to do, then you've got to find something, because hey, that pension is going to pay the bills, but you're not going to have a whole lot of fun. And believe me, I wanted to have fun. Okay, I wanted to enjoy being retired. And yes, I may not look like it, but I am in my 40s. Okay, and I want to take this next stage of my life, and I want to enjoy it. I want to be able to spend time with friends who I haven't been able to connect with for years. I want to, I have a plan, I have a wish to go to, all of the islands in the Caribbean, probably in alphabetical order. I've been to a couple of them now, but I want to hit all of them. Okay, that's a goal. I wanted to visit all six out of 7 continents. Okay, and I've been to 3. Europe, Asia, Africa, North America. So 4. Sorry, had to stop and think about it for a minute. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, I wanted to be able to, my parents are getting up there in age, so I wanted to have the flexibility to be able to, in case there was an emergency, in case they needed me for something, I wanted to be able to just drop everything and be able to go. Okay, my grandma's 94. She's going to be 95 this year. Same thing. She doesn't have a whole lot of time left. So I wanted to have the flexibility to be able to go see them. Okay, that's me. That's what I wanted. You may have, this may resonate with you. It may not. You may have different goals. I don't have any kids. I'm not married, but I can tell you right now, if I was, then I would definitely want the time to spend with them and to see them grow up and to work on having a happy marriage. Those are the things that I see as important, okay? Those were the things that I was thinking about when I decided to get into this program. Okay, flat out, that's what I wanted. So if any of this resonates with you, then take a minute, okay? Take a few minutes. I'm going to post a link down here that will give you access to a video that will show the program that I got involved with, that I talked about, and it's straight from the horse's mouth, okay? So, you know, I can give you I can give you the spiel on how awesome this program is, but quite honestly, the owner and CEO of this company is just phenomenal. Okay, he's been doing this for the last 10 years. Okay, and he's just now hitting his 30s. Okay, so he knows a little bit about what he's talking about. I learn something from him every time I look at a new video of his, or a new email, or a new product that he's come up with. So I'm going to ask you to take a minute or 3 or 4, click on the link, watch the video, and then get in touch with me. Okay? That's it. Get in touch with me. I'll put my email address down here too. So you know me, or you're getting to know me. I want you to know me better. So there's going to be a video series, and I'm going to try to make this as organized and enlightening and educational as I possibly can from here on out. So have a great day. It's Friday here. Have a great weekend, and you will see more of my happy smiling face. And oh, by the way, in case you're wondering, I'm a big Stephen King fan as well, so if you see this, you'll understand the reference. And I also love cats, so you might see a few more cat t-shirts in the future, but this is me. Okay, this is me, and this is me being as honest and upfront as I possibly can. So have a great day, and I will talk more at you later.